first time in the Ghana Premier League, Coach Christopher Enning lose game in the league, and also we idea.
Samatex.
Yeah, Samatex and America. Also now lose game in the league, and for a team Obefa once that Christopher Enning one of those coaches now. For me, on the limelight debate, when the man know the 2010 become Chelsea, he moved on. Now Samatex is trying to build a club. By last 2-3 years, I did the Ghana Premier League, and for me, I think it was quite sad to see them lose because this is Dreams team, the Angel team, more and looking at Dreams team, also trying to climb up the ladder of the Ghana Premier League. You know, now that game would have been difficult, but more of us on getting the victory, and better luck next time to Christopher Enning. And then also, we got friends say level one there's Kwame. Remember, the catch the Ghana Premier League. I don't know how or what we use to regulate the league because level one there's a club and granted. I'm not qualified to the Ghana Premier League, but looking at how our club is being managed and being financed, Kwame, I think that also FN money account. And if there's one club, the management and Kwame don't want to use this word. So I'm going to serious. 11 one days.
I know why you so we.
Me don't better me use.
But so why you so we.
Daddy, Mr. Omen can't mention. Me don't better me use that word. Share one and your coach.
Ni oda telamti.
Oda telamti. Okay, the last one oda telamti about Ghana Premier League coachy. Make the first time he know or no anything can call with 11 wise. Okay, my level one Ghana years ago. And I'm a kind from that time in Kai League team that time coachy. But Bana on best league for a club years gone by. No Australia and even do not ignore safe for you. And I will save you from staying in the Ghana Premier League. Now under new management, I this is for and the manage the club no. Say that land to end there and it's all appointed to my. This is a period never coach team.
Shapiro.
Why? Shapiro.
Jay Sapon. Jay Sapon.
Into all the American. So all with the anger me fever.
11 wonders. Okay, there come answer.
One can some make an answer almost all correct.
Jay Sapon.
I never coach 11 wonders.
League names on person on the cover.
All the numbers is our word because for a club that won't stay in the Ghana Premier League, one, your finances and everything is not intact. Get a coach and tell the Ghana Premier League that pedigree, that track record. No, look at where they go. No wonder why I say and the Ghana Premier League logo. No, and if they continue this way, and then want to say a bit of relegation. No, you better come now to the House of Folk game of a boy. You know. Kwame, I want to pick out some individuals, and I don't know whether I'm 80. I want one from 80 or Pramaso number catch or more. Kwame, they should listen and listen very carefully. One, Benjamin Asare.
Goalkeeper. No.
Goalkeeper.
Ghana's number one.
Ghana's number one. Meaning, I don't want to say he's being overconfident. I don't want to say because the call-ups now all Nyan Blasters now all done. The team end because in the game I'm a boy, you know. Against Rolling Stars on making some save, I think that it was good for him. Because the penalty now considered one, a poor judgment, two, poor timing, and they call that penalty. You know. And in football, when you begin to consider because they're not amount for a crown for honesty and fair air because of the invisibility, has and consider goals, or the more you could see say he oozes confidence. And even Black Stars give ultimately born over totals, and that's one of the things that now born about so say ultimately because on my pressure and man so. But when the last 2 games, I consider 3 goals. The last 2 games, I consider 3 goals.
Okay.
And before that, no about 5 games, I don't consider goal in the Ghana Premier League. And if for keep I don't consider goal. Now to considering 3 in 2, actually said has goalkeeping department, you know. Also, I'm sure the keep an egg because my granted, my cousin, a penalty, but penalty, how they consider it, you know. Where they are born now, not what time, the judgment, you know, the calculation to measure if self in goal post me a bar, or when newborn and our own newborn. But you could see, because that poor judgment and the time, you know, or player, and the second player, penalty, a referee was spot on. And I'm going to have that penalty now.
And 11 wonders, the Holy Stars, go on my show season.
Yeah, what was the 11 goals in the league? And on my show 1 goal, and that was the only goal on my show. So this was a toothless Holy Stars team. Team my man say, because for them to play 7 matches and not score a goal, actually say this is a team for me, even direction of Ekon. They don't know where they are going. To be Asare, I would do a cram them and I say, on making sure say where he left off, I'm not blasters for a day. Some of us in Gideon the move I campaigning for no, we shouldn't reverse. On still what they can't be the man day. Or what talk car the channel. Not because seven one for will be out. Not because seven pediasa or an empty will be out. And because the Monday moi, and what part of my child the man no, and a man or daddy, and Mary says can every man. So I take us over there. And then also by anyone my friend Duke Abora for the first time in the calendar of other folk, well go. And for the Kwame a preseason. Me got you say man one has a preseason games. I can't hear the by competitive games. Kwame ko is here. Nowhere in the world. What you said about Barcelona for Equity Cup and United for Hong Kong Premier League Cup no. What is the Premier League? Kwame nobody challenges Premier League. I thought preseason games. Preseason for God's sake.
Okay.
Inti for me didn't score a goal over there. How many times any go? And going to the big game. So when there are big players, not as up scoring goals, it's all set about boy because has department they be able to so attacking third and okay. A Duku a penalty, but strikers they feed on goals and goals builds their confidence. Till Duku Abora and that goal no. Let's pray say you take into the game against Kotoko. I don't want to work with other folk and I'll see a lackluster game.
Okay, Mate. Game ni ebe se da abaso na Alhaji
Kwame
bako there